Today, the market is primarily focused on macroeconomic data from Markit Economics. Let us take a closer look at the outcome of these reports and see how traders react to the results. Preliminary estimates for business activity in the Eurozone showed an increase in figures instead of a decline. The euro instantly went up after the publication of such strong data, so the Markit Manufacturing PMI rose to 58.6 versus 58.3 and above market forecast of 57.5 flash estimates showed. Likewise, the Eurozone Services PMI increased to 56.6 from 54.6 in the previous months, beating market expectations of a 54 fall. No wonder the Markit Composite PMI grew to 55.8 versus 54.2, well above market consensus of 53.7. The situation is slightly different in Britain, where business activity was estimated to decrease, like in the Eurozone. Indeed, the actual results did not come in line with the forecast, but came mixed. On the one hand, the manufacturing PMI increased to 58.2 from 57.1. The reading had been projected to show a drop to 57.8. On the other hand, the services PMI decreased to 58.6 from 59.1 in the previous months, while it had been expected to fall to 58.5. As a result, the composite PMI edged down to 57.8 versus 57.8 in the previous months, and above market expectations of a 57.3. Overall, the results came better than market forecast. Nevertheless, after the release of such strong statistics in the Eurozone, market participants also expected the same from business activity in the United Kingdom. The sterling seems to be traded flat for the same reason. The market is now awaiting data on business activity in the United States. After the Eurozone showed such positive results, traders are hoping to see an increase in figures in the United States as well. Anyway, it remains to be seen whether the actual results turned out to be better than forecast. At the same time, will that be seen as a negative factor if data comes in line with the market expectations, while traders are awaiting a significant increase in figures? Anyway, let us now turn to the charts. Moving in the downward trend, Euro-USD updated its 2021 swing low. Consequently, the quote fell to 1.1225, but the volume of short positions did not decrease. Given extremely high short interest, the subsequent drop in the euro is not excluded. The quote may well head towards the pivot point of 1.1160. It's important to remember that while moving down, the quote may retrace from time to time. Such price behavior is common in the market. The downward trend on the GBP-USD extended after a modest upward bounce. As a result, the price consolidated below the support level of 1.3400. Unlike Euro-USD, the GBP-USD pair is likely to continue its downward momentum as the sterling is not yet oversold. The price is expected to hit towards the swing low as of November 12, it's 1.1350, and in case of consolidation below 1.3400. Speculators may well break the pivot point. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.